Sunshine Restaurant?
Sunshine Restaurant.
Sunshine Restaurant.
But what a huge defensive mistake to not get back and go. Yeah.
That you don't know, give them your paper. Alright, we're switching papers today. I gotta make sure you hand it over. Either someone to be behind you, next to you, in front of you. If you look at that handwriting,
want to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing.
Pay attention to what you're looking for. My amazing contestants over here, all 8 of you. As I said, not everybody's gonna make it through the first round, alright? But the first round is what we call the meow walk, the cat walk, alright? But when I say cat walk, I don't twerky over here. Are you ready? We're gonna get started right now. So you understand that, judges, what we're looking for here? We're looking for that pizzazz, for that do your thing and you win on the side. Oh, you're gonna shuffle it. Okay. Oh, this is a good thing. I got you. Alright, are you ready, right, your judges? Okay. The moonwalk, that's what we call the sunwalk. Oh, hey, oh! I thought it was the...
And I was worried about the way the thing might have been.
Alright.
Big wind, keep on
Oh,
turning.
I see people start moving those hands up there, I see.
Keep on burning. And we're rolling.
Rolling.
Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Yes, indeed. Welcome back to the Workshop Club for the Contestant Trivia. Now, if you're just
Good morning. Rock it. Let's go. Go. Do this. Go.
Say